Hey guys, welcome back. I have a 2014 Kiario, and the customer concern is when you engage the mist, nothing coming out. But I can hear the motor kicking in, but there's no water coming out. Let's go ahead and find out. Alright, so I'm gonna disconnect this one, this hose. Okay, alright, this hose is connected all the way to the washer motor and also connected to both washer nozzle. There's the first one and the second one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the washer on. Let's see if there's water coming out here. All right. All right, let's see if we have a leak now. All right, so we don't have any leak. Now I start to suspect maybe the motor screen is clogged. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, so the washer leave over here. I'm gonna remove the tire and this inner fender so we can gain access on that washer motor. Okay guys, so I did remove the tire. There is 1 and 2 hose span, 1 screw and 2 more hose pins right there. And here is the washer motor. It's right here, and the screen location is inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out gently, and hopefully we can able to see the screen. Let's clean this guy a little bit. Alright guys, so I disconnect the connector and I'm gonna pry it out right here. I put shop rag here, so just in case that little screen decided to jump, we can able to retrieve it here. Alright, I got my pry bar. Remember, the reservoir is full. Alright, I might gonna take a shower here. There we go. Oh boy. Whew. I'm gonna raise this up. All right, I feel like I'm more secure now. Okay, here we go. Oops. Ooh, I'm making a big mess. Nice. Oh yeah, it's gonna take water. Oh no, it's almost empty. There we go. There we go. Hopefully we didn't lose that screen. Okay, I'm gonna lower it down. Oh my goodness. Look how much stuff in here. I don't see the screen over here though. Where is the screen? Ah, it's right there. Oh yeah. So, it's right here. That is the screen, guys. And then we got some right there. Like spider eggs? I don't know. But I'm just gonna go disconnect this one and clean the screen. Whew. Alright, so I took it over there and rinsed it with water. Screen is pretty clean right now. Just FYI, make sure when you rinse this, make sure those two pins are gonna get wet, or when they get wet, dry and clean them. But I think this one's ready to go. I'm going to spray this with a little bit of silicone for easy installation. Come on, there you go. Oops, that's a lot, but well, it's not gonna hurt it. Okay, here we go, guys. So install this first and then slide it in. Hopefully you guys can see this. There we go. There. Now I'm hooked up to the top part right there. Then I'm gonna go slide this in. There we go. Now install this back and plug the connector. There we go. And I'm gonna put this fender liner. There we go. One push pin here and there, screw, and screw up there, push pin, and push pin. Alright. Alright guys, so the car is in the ground. I'm gonna torque those to spec, and I'm gonna install this hose back. And I'm gonna add washer fluid, and let's verify the fix. All right, it's not full yet, but we got a lot in there. Let's go ahead and put it in the ground. Okay. All right. Okay, just cycle the key on, and here we go. Woohoo! There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.